The internet is a digital earth. The websites likewise are digital nations, with each having their own culture and history combined with user bases or digital populations that characterize the purpose of their presence on the web. YouTube is one of those nations, having a history that goes back nearly 15 years, the shared culture between every channel or digital cities, and their videos or digital architecture, coupled with the interconnectivity between every YouTuber, gives the website the character of being not only one of the biggest, but also one that allows a strong variety of content that gets put out, all produced by users of varying interests or passions, and has led to YouTube becoming a website where its old tagline bears true to its name. Welcome to YouTube Nation, where we discuss the history of YouTube, the culture of YouTube, the user base of YouTube, and much more of YouTube. New episodes will be released every second Saturday, so be sure to come back every month for more of this educational series about the most prominent website on the internet.